Before installing solar PV panels on your home, you should ask yourself, first, what's my motivation for doing this? Do I want to help the environment and reduce carbon, or am I hoping to save money and cut my energy bills? Second, what's the energy profile of my home? Do I already have electric heating? Am I on an off-peak electricity tariff? What's my annual consumption, and how is that split between heating and hot water? Jersey's electricity grid is already virtually decarbonised, so installing solar panels will not materially reduce your home's carbon footprint, because the electricity they produce will simply be replacing low-carbon grid electricity with low-carbon solar electricity. If you're looking to cut your energy bills, you need to ensure your array is accurately sized to meet your general lights and power demand. Embedded generators and storage batteries are not approved for heating that's connected to the off-peak distribution board run on lower tariff rates. It's better to have a smaller array and consume all you generate than pay for a larger array than you need. Because there are no subsidies for renewables in Jersey, you'll save more by reducing your demand for electricity from the grid than selling your excess units back, rather than over-investing in a larger array that would take much longer to cover the higher installation and equipment costs by selling excess supplies back to the grid. If you fit a solar diverter, you could use the excess to heat your hot water. When your general light and power load is met, excess units will be diverted to your immersion heater, and only when that is full will any excess go through the buyback meter and onto the grid. You could install a battery, so when your generator is meeting the demand of your general lights and power load, any excess can charge the battery to be used later to power appliances on the general tariff. For example, on dark evenings when your array isn't generating. So remember, size your array to match your consumption.